Hi, I'm Shelly Turner, and I'm so excited to invite you to take a look at our all-in-one digital marketing platform called BizStackPro. Now, if you're a marketer, if you're an affiliate marketer, if you're a consultant, a coach, if you're a local business, if you're a course creator, or if you're just someone trying to get a business online to make a little bit of extra money, BizStackPro has all of the tools that you need as a all-in-one digital marketing platform. Now, we know some of the issues that you guys deal with. For example, no support. Whatever you're using now, or if you haven't even stepped into this arena yet, we know that no support is an issue. And at BizStackPro, we're really proud to say that we've got 24/7 live chat support. That means that if you run into any hiccups while you're building your business, you actually have a live person that you can contact and talk to. They will chat with you over through our chatbot. But if they need to, they'll do a Zoom with you and they'll even make a Loom video for you. It is amazing what happens with our live chat support. And that's available 24/7. So if you're working at 2 o'clock in the morning, you'll be able to get the help that you need. That's exciting. We also know that a lot of people don't even know where to start. They know what they want to build and they have a vision in mind, but they don't even know where to start. That's why we have a getting started program inside of BizStackPro to help you understand what tools are available and where you can start to start building your business. The other thing we know happens is that business owners, especially entrepreneurs, we tend to feel quite alone. And in BizStackPro, we have an amazing community where you'll probably never feel alone again because they are like-minded individuals that are using the same platform to be able to build and grow their business. And with the training and the support and all the resources that we provide, it creates a situation where everybody's excited to come together and learn from each other inside the community. Another thing that entrepreneurs deal with is they don't know what they don't know. And that's okay because BizStackPro has up to 3 meetings per week. And in those meetings, we're not only going to introduce some of the new tools to you, introduce training to you, but we're also going to have a question and answer session so that you can ask those burning questions that you need to get answers to so you can continue to build and grow your business. Those meetings are golden because not only are the people that are running the meetings knowledgeable, but the community is knowledgeable and they're not afraid to share. We have a very engaged community, and you'll find that in those meetings, everybody's excited about what you can do inside of BizStackPro, and they're willing to share. We also understand that as you're building a business, it can be quite expensive to get started. And we know that especially if you're building with several different tools, so you need an email builder, you need a website builder, you need an SMS text messaging platform, you need a video platform, all those things that you need to be able to run your business. Well, the amazing thing is that all of those are inside of BizStackPro. So what we've attempted to do is take you away from duct tape marketing and put you into an all-in-one digital marketing platform so you're ready to go with building and growing your business. So how do we stand out from other platforms? Well, I can tell you from my perspective, my favorite things that makes BizStackPro way far above other platforms. And that is number one, our 24/7 live chat support. That's amazing to me. And it's incredible to think that you can be working bright and early in the morning before everybody else is woken up, including the chickens, and you're building and you run into a hurdle that you have to get over, and there's a live person there ready to answer your question and get you back on track. It is very exciting, and it's one of our best features in BizStackPro. The second is our amazing engaged community. I can tell you that I don't think I've ever seen anything like it before. They are very sharing, they're very knowledgeable, they all want to achieve that success, but they have that attitude of bringing everybody with them, like nobody gets to be left behind. And you'll see that in the first meeting that you attend with BizStackPro. It is extremely exciting. Another thing is all the meetings and trainings. We don't want to leave you behind and have you trying to figure things out over the span of a couple weeks, fighting with tools and fighting with how to set up settings and stuff like that. So in our meetings, not only do we show you the new stuff and we do a training on things like how to set up your email, how to set up your website, how to connect a domain, all those types of things. But you're allowed to ask questions so that we can get your question answered. And that can be done up to 3 times a week inside of a meeting. So it's absolutely incredible how we help you keep moving forward in your business to build you towards success. We also have lots and lots of templates. So if you don't even know what you want in your website or how you want it to look, we got you. We've got website templates, we've got funnel templates, we've got email templates, blog templates, social post templates, and much, much more. So if you're not sure what you want your website or your funnel or your blog or your email to look like, we got you taken care of. We got plenty of templates that you can work with. That's another really exciting thing about BizStackPro. You don't have to look at a blank page and stare at a blank page to get started. We got lots of things to help you get jump started. So what are some reasons that you come into BizStackPro besides the 24/7 live chat support, the engaged community, and all the amazing templates that we have and resources? Well, I will tell you, a lot of people come in for the bonuses because we have lots of bonuses. So they come in for the bonuses, and that's amazing. Why else did they come in? Because of all the tools in one dashboard. That's amazing. But let me tell you a secret. I'll tell you why they stay. They stay because we've got an engaged community and leaders inside of BizStackPro that truly want to help you, and they want you to experience success. So we would love to have you as a part of BizStackPro. So let me be the first to invite you to join BizStackPro, an all-in-one digital marketing platform where you'll get the support, the tools, the resources, and everything you need to get started towards success. And I can't wait to send you that first email that says, "Welcome to BizStackPro."